Corruption, corruption, corruption. Ladies and gentlemen, corruption is not just a problem. In India, it is the second favorite pastime of our citizens. Well, you must be wondering why did I call it the second favorite? That's because the first favorite is still cricket and blaming the government. So, Jai Hind, my friends, whom I believe must have never paid a bribe. Am I right? So, corruption is so common in India that it is not even surprising anymore. Corruption is very common in India. What should we do to stop corruption? Who is spreading corruption? What is corruption? I'm not here to give lectures about that. I am just here to give a reality check. So, talking about corruption. In corruption, let's recall the scams. The CWG scam, in which the athletes ran faster to escape the embarrassment, not to win the medals. Also, the coal scam, the Vyapam scam, and also the coal scam, the Vyapam scam. And scams have been happening in India since starting. But what should we do now? Oh my god, so many scams. Let's blame the government, right? Such a genius idea. No. You cannot blame the government all the time because the government has taken steps to stop corruption, like the direct benefit transfer and also the online RTI. The government is taking actions, but it is us. Have you guys ever realized that corruption lies within us? You know, like it's like if honesty had a fan club, it would be a WhatsApp group without any members. Because corruption is in us. Corruption starts with us. From adults bribing the RTO for a license and also paying under the table to avoid GST, and also us, even us when we cheat in exam. Yes, our cheating is also a part of corruption. I believe that instead of criticizing the government, we should focus on ourselves and stop corruption from ourselves because it starts with us. Let's help government by implementing the steps that they have taken in our real life because we are the ones who can stop corruption from originating. I believe we should not criticize the government but rather be honest to ourselves and our country. Jai Hind.